wonderful ground floor plan and first floor plan. So we will see this wonderful and amazing luxury ground floor plan house and first floor plan house. So first floor, only number of bedroom 2. This is very unique and very wonderful floor plan. So we will see one by one. This is our ground floor and this is entrance. We are getting this number of steps and this is our entrance. In here we are getting guest bedroom 470 by 475, 570 by 475. This is our dress area and this again bathroom 205 by 300 centimeter. And we are coming here. This is our family room, circular for sometime sitting. This is our open family room. This is our wonderful unique stair design going to first floor. And this is again family room. This is our fountain area. This wonderful arch covering with glass, curtain glass. And we are getting here, this is our maid room 390 by 590, and this is the store 280 by 410. This maid room attached toilet 260 by 200 cm. This is our iron room, laundry room. This wonderful very big size kitchen 720 by 400, 300 wide. We can give division for arch. And this side we are getting entrance from here. This is hall, wide hall 670 by 575. And you can see here this hall, very wide hall. This is our wonderful swimming pool area. You can place here 12 meter by 920 area. And the swimming pool, for this swimming pool we have this shower, toilet, changing room, washroom. And back side we have given a small machine room for our electrical cabinet and rest of the thing. So this wonderful ground floor plan we have something like this. In kitchen we have given back side door entrance, and we are reaching through first floor. This is stair. So we will see our first floor. So this is first floor. We are reaching here. This is our wide open, and this is our wonderful bedroom 665 by 520. This circular this arch coming from ground floor. And this is our attached bathroom 375 by 230. Shower tray, water closet, sink, wash basin, everything has mentioned as place as per control dimension, exact everything. This is our another bedroom 395 by 580. This dress area, this again bathroom, and this small pantry we have here 345 by 145. We are entering here. This is our lobby. See here, this is our entrance for arch. This is our lobby. Again, this is our entrance. This is our sitting room 9 meter by 480. This is dress area 400 by 550. This is just a small bathroom, bedroom. Small means just it will cover only our sofa, our bed, and rest of the thing will come this sitting room and this dress room. So here will cover only sofa, bed. Sorry. King size bed. Again we are entering here. This is very wide bedroom. This is our wide dress area, wide dressing area, and this is main suite room. Again this is our bathroom 490 by 300, and this side 180 plus 110. So this wonderful floor plan we have. We will discuss our window wherever we have placed. So you can see here, this is our window. This is going continuously from up to first floor. This is window above this terrace, and this side window 3 division, and this swimming pool area, this side window we have given, and here we have given window for machine room. So I hope you got this plan very helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any comment, please suggest. Thank you.